whispers through the trees, bringing life on every breeze. Tulips reach for skies above, filled with grace and